make it 10 even, right? 10, 20. That looks pretty good. 20, 29, 30, not much. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 42.
Great.
42 is pretty good. 41 is all right too. 42, 42, 43, 44, 51. We're starting to see something. 62, pretty good.
Good.
82.1. So that looks good. 82.7, 82.6, something like that, right?
Right.
So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 antinodes. 1, 2, 3 nodes in the middle, 1 node at the top, 1 node at the bottom.
So theoretically, it should be integer multiple.
It should be an integer multiple of
The
fundamental.
fundamental. Right. But we have our uncertainty error coming from the vibrating.
Well, I think the problem is that this isn't quite a node.
Right.
This
Okay.
is, the node is down there, and the position of the node changes a little bit. So
How about the string quality, the stretching?
Yeah, the string is the speed of so the frequency times the wavelength gives you the speed of the wave on the string, not the speed of sound, but the speed of the wave traveling on the spring.
Right.
Which we'll look at in a minute with the slinky. And so the speed of the wave on the string is not quite constant. So the speed of sound in air is pretty constant, independent. I mean, it changes with temperature and things like that, but pretty much independent of the frequency, but the speed of the wave on the string is a little bit frequency dependent. So it's not perfect, but anyway, and this is an anharmonic effect, and that happens in instruments, real instruments too. So, but not quite as bad as this in the real violin or cello or something. The string, the harmonics would be much closer to the whole number multiples. All right, so the next whole number up would be about 100. Yeah, how about 102.8? So here you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 antinodes. 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes in the middle. 1 at the bottom, 1 at the top. Well, so 120 should be 6 antinodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 antinodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're starting to hear it now.
Yeah.
160 hertz. I guess you can hear pretty well. Huh? So that 8 antinodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And then if I go up to 180, not much. I think it's gone. I think we lost the capacity. The machine can't do much. It's not vibrating much.